السلام علیکم. میرا نام ہے ایلن کیسلر. میں امریکہ میں بیٹھ کر ہمیشہ پاکستان کے بارے میں سوچتا رہتا ہوں، کیونکہ پاکستان ایک عام جگہ نہیں ہے، بلکہ وہ جگہ ہے جہاں انشاءاللہ پاک صاف دل لوگ جمع ہو کر محبت، انصاف، سچائی، دوسروں کی خدمت قائم کر دیں گے. تو میری استاد نہیں میری بیگم فاطمہ یا کیرل یا کاللی نے ایک نئی چیز شروع کی ہے. وہ اس کو پرپل کہتی ہے. پرپل مطلب بینگنی، وہ رنگ جو لال اور نیلا کو ملانے سے بنتا ہے. تو انہوں نے ایسا کیوں کیا؟ کیونکہ امریکہ میں اور پوری دنیا میں بھی، بلکہ امریکہ میں خاص کر آج کل دو قسم کے لوگ ہیں. کبھی ان کو لیفٹ اور رائٹ کہتے ہیں مختلف ملکوں میں. لیفٹ یا لبرلز اور رائٹ یا کنسرویٹیوز، یہ دونوں اتنے الگ ہو چکے ہیں، ایک دوسرے سے لڑ رہے ہیں، ایک دوسرے کو نہیں سمجھتے ہیں بالکل، اور کافی ٹائم ایک دوسرے سے بات نہیں کرتے ہیں. اگر بات کرتے ہیں تو وہ گالی بھی دیتے ہیں. کوئی محبت سے، پیار سے بات نہیں کرتے ہیں. تو ان کو ہم کہہ سکتے ہیں ڈاؤن لوڈ ملا اوپر سے، ان پر نازل ہوا. یہ بات نازل ہوئی کہ کیونکہ امریکہ میں لیفٹ اور رائٹ کو بلو اور ریڈ بھی کہتے ہیں. تو انہوں نے سمجھ لیا، بلکہ مراقبے میں، میڈیٹیشن میں انہوں نے سن لیا کہ ایک پرپل جو لال اور نیلا کو ملانے سے رنگ ملتا ہے، ایک پرپل بنانا چاہیے. تو یہ پرپل کیا چیز ہے؟ آپ دیکھ لیں اس کے فیس بک پیج کو، وہاں وہ بہت پوسٹ کر رہی ہے پرپل کے بارے میں. اور جب میں پہلے ان سے ملا تھا، تقریباً 10 سال ہو گیا، ان کا نام جو مجھے پہلے معلوم ہوا تھا وہ تھا کاللی یا گرینڈ مدر کاللی، ایلڈر کاللی. تو میں آپ سب سے درخواست کر رہا ہوں کہ آپ اس پرپل کے بارے میں سمجھنے کی کوشش کریں. میں بھی سمجھنے کی کوشش کر رہا ہوں کہ یہ پرپل کیا چیز ہے جو میری استادنی سکھا رہی ہے. تو آپ بھی اس میں حصہ لیں، پڑھ لیں، اور جو وہ لکھتی ہے وہ خود نہیں لکھتی ہے، وہ اوپر سے اس کو یہ ملتی ہے، یہ چیزیں ملتی ہے. تو یہ ایک نئی چیز ہے پرپل، بینگنی رنگ ہے نا. میرے خیال میں اردو میں اس رنگ کو بینگنی کہتے ہیں. تو بس یہی میں بات کرنا چاہ رہا تھا. آپ اس پرپل کو سمجھنے کی کوشش کریں. اگر آپ کو انگریزی معلوم ہے، وہ انگریزی میں لکھتی ہے، اس کو اردو زیادہ نہیں معلوم ہے. تو اگر آپ کو انگریزی نہیں معلوم ہے، کسی کو پکڑو جو انگریزی کو آپ کو اردو میں ترجمہ کر سکتے ہیں جو وہ لکھتی ہے. لیکن اس کو ترجمہ کرنا شاید مشکل ہوگا، کیونکہ وہ بہت ہی گہری باتیں ہیں. وہ ایسے لکھتی ہیں کوئی چیز جس کو ایک دم سمجھ میں شاید نہیں آئے گا، لیکن اس پر تھوڑا دھیان کر کے آہستہ آہستہ سے کچھ سمجھ میں آتی ہے. اچھا، دیکھوں گا کسی کے کوئی سوال یا کامنٹس ہیں. میں سب کامنٹس کو نہیں پڑھوں گا. ہینا فرحین: I saw your post that you shared with your wife. What is the story behind it? I don't know which post you mean. I have done many posts with my wife. So the most famous one, I think, is where she was speaking in a little Urdu. That one has had many views, in which she also talked about Kaleem Raza and appreciated his music, which is very uplifting for the spirit. So if that's the video you're talking about, she just said, I invited her to do a video with me on my live chat or on a recorded chat, whatever, and we would post it on my Facebook page, and she agreed. So to do a live one. So she just had wanted to say some things, so I translated them into Urdu so she could say them in Urdu. I'm trying to remember exactly what she said, but she said that मैं हमेशा अल्लाह के बारे में सोचती हूँ और ये दुनिया अल्लाह का ख्वाब है. केरी बात है. ये अल्लाह के ख्वाब हकीकी होती है ना. अल्लाह के ख्वाब बिल्कुल हकीकत है. तो ये दुनिया अल्लाह का ख्वाब है, उन्होंने बताया था. तो पता नहीं कौन सी वीडियो के बारे में आप बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हमने सिर्फ एक ने 5-10 मुझे याद नहीं है कितना हमने बनाया. अगर आप बताएंगे कौन से वाला है तो शायद मैं और बता सकूँगा. नूर मोहम्मद खट्टक, नाइस लुकिंग सर, यू आर लुकिंग यंग. अच्छा, शुक्रिया. अमर अमीन, पर्पल को जामनी रंग भी कहते हैं. शुक्रिया. जामनी रंग. Fauzia Noreen, sir, I am so happy to see you. Very happy to have you with us. Hira Farheen, purple is also the color of divine in spiritualism? I don't know. Maybe it's the color of royalty. I know that. Traditionally, royalty is associated with purple. But maybe divine also. I don't know. Sanam Shabir, Assalamu alaikum. I have request you please pray for me. I want to walk on spiritual path. Oh God. Please help Sanam Shabir to walk on the spiritual path and achieve the highest perfection of spiritual life. Ameen. Facebook ID, please. You can't see it from my page you're on. It is just facebook.com Allan.Keislar /Allan.Keislar. Here namaz Maghrib time in Pakistan, so I will pray. Oh. I was told I had my chats at 7 o'clock and everyone told me Maghrib is at 7 o'clock. This is at 7:30. No, excuse me. They told me Maghrib is at 7 o'clock, so I changed my time from 7 to 7:30. So sorry if you have to go now, but please do. Fauzia Naureen, inshallah we will see purple Jamni. Okay, I hope so. Farooq Bhatti, Assalamu alaikum, dua ki darkhwast hai. Ya Allah, Ya Malik, Farooq Bhatti par Raham Farma. Rubab Begs, Assalamu alaikum, sir. Purple is my favorite color. Oh, very wonderful. It's my wife's favorite color too, I think. My favorite color has always been green since my childhood, but I always liked purple also. Sheila Afridi, remember me in your prayers, sir. Oh God, please bless Sheila Afridi. May she advance in spiritual life, come nearer to you and serve you very wonderfully. Hira Farheen, I meant the post regarding the purple with the clouds and the lightning. Oh, the one I just posted. The story behind it is that I saw it on her page and I thought it was very wonderful, so I wanted to share it, so I wrote a little poem also about it. I think, oh, I'm not sure, yeah, I think that's what you mean, the one I just posted yesterday, or even today, your time. What is the story? The story is just, yeah, just that much. I saw her, I saw it on her page, I liked it, and so I shared it and wrote that little poem then. And I read the poem to her and she liked it, so I used it with her post. Hafiz Dost, Islam, I want to ask a different question. I want to read many books, as I have bought many books too. I cannot keep concentration for reading. Just read a page or so, and then go here, there. Can you help? I can't really help. I do not know any advice for reading techniques. There are people who do, though. You can read a book about reading techniques. How to concentrate on reading, I don't know. I'm sorry, I can't really help you. I can say, though, do zikr. That always helps me in everything. So. Let us see. Mir Muhammad, how to kill nafs. Zikr. Fauzia Noreen, please pray for my sisters and my family. Ya Allah, Fauzia Noreen ki behan aur uski family par raham farma. Raza Yusuf, salam to all. The Almighty is the controller of hearts. He can change things in the blink of an eye. Don't forget, He can heal what has been hurting for years in a flash. He can forgive as He wills. Nothing is beyond the Lord of the worlds. Have faith that things will work out in the end. Thank you very much. This is exactly what I also have said many times. Thank you very, very much. Fatima Sarfraz, Assalamu alaikum, sir. It's usually said by people who experience NDE that they feel immense rich love. Is it true? Can you describe your feelings? Yes. I definitely felt immense rich love when I had my near-death experience. As I have said, when I died, I felt the presence of my teacher and immense love, immense rich love. And he simply asked me, so do you want to come with me? Or do you want to go back and stay in this world longer? So, but it was quite amazing to me that it was definitely an overpowering feeling of love, and I think freedom too. He gave me the choice. I had the freedom to decide whether I wanted to live longer in this world or leave this world and go with him and be in the spiritual world. That's what I understood. Yes, immense, rich love. Very good description. Alina Mazhar, sir, tell us about gemstones. Do they possess powers as well? I don't know anything about gemstones. I'm sorry. Fauzia Noreen, personally want to have some talk for dua. You can, if you don't want to make a comment here publicly, you can send me a private message. Sheila Afridi, sir, do you know Khwaja Shamsuddin Azimi Sahib? No, I don't know him. I have heard of him only recently. Some people on Facebook have been talking about him, but I don't know anything about him, hardly really. Sayyid Imran Hamdani Advocate, Salam, sir, how are you? Does Zionists are planning something more disastrous and new viruses or some new anti-humans or anti-Muslims events? If does so what you are personally anticipating? I'm sure they are. They always are planning more disasters. I don't know about any new viruses, but they definitely are planning to use this coronavirus as an excuse to try to shut down the economy of the world so they can gain control of the world and introduce their digital economy. They also, in the United States right now, they're trying very, very hard to make voting by mail, so they can rig the elections more easily. The Democrats, which was the main party that the Zionists controlled for many years, also they controlled the Republican Party, but now they don't. Now President Trump has become the president as a Republican. It's the first time for many decades that the president was not totally in the control of the Illuminati. So they are now trying a new thing, because they used to rig the elections. I've said many times, George H.W. Bush lost both the elections when he became president. Many people know that. But he won. They said he won. Even they had to go to the Supreme Court the first time. So, but the Supreme Court ruled in his favor, even though it was, anyway, that's another story. But they were always rigging the elections electronically, because they controlled the electronic voting machines. And now President Trump has stopped that electronic vote rigging. That's how he could win, because they were not able to rig the election. So now they are trying to rig the election by making it possible to have mail-in ballots. And they've just recently don't have to have a witness to sign that this person who's sending in the ballot is really the person. It means anyone can send in. Even some foreigners could print up a lot of ballots and make them look the same and then send them. So This is what they're planning now. Use the coronavirus as an excuse. Oh, people should not go in to vote personally and have their identity ascertained. They can just mail it in. So they are going to keep the coronavirus going as long as they can, at least until the election in America, so they can have this excuse that people don't have to be witnessed who they really are, and anyone can send in a mail. So these people are these Satanists. I don't call them Zionists, I call them Satanists, because there are two types of Zionists, as I said yesterday. So the Satanist Zionists are planning to use this coronavirus as much as they can to destroy the economies of the world, to rig the election in the United States coming up because they don't want Trump to win again. I don't know what else they're planning, but I'm sure they're planning many things because they're losing now. They're becoming desperate. So, but I don't know any details more. Alina Mazhar, sir, when we say Allahu, what is who? I don't know. I know I've been to Sufi gatherings, especially in Lahore and also in Karachi, where people say Allahu, Allahu, Allahu. But nobody ever told me what who means, so I don't know. Ayesha Raja, Assalamu alaikum, Pyare Babaji, how are you? Please tell me about the beauty of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ya Muhammad. He is, the most beautiful thing about him is his eyes, in my experience. His eyes are dark, and his eyes are always smiling. His eyes are almost dancing. Very, very deep, very penetrating, I've often said. And I felt the first time I felt that he is mercy incarnate. He is mercy personified. And his eyes were just radiating kindness and affection and mercy. And the second time, I saw only his eye. I didn't see his entire face even. And his eye, actually, I had the experience of going into the pupil of his eye, going into his eye. And I felt like I was swimming in an ocean of love. So that is his greatest beauty for me, was his love, which was radiating, his love and compassion radiating from his eyes. Mir Muhammad says, which zikr so that we can find love in our heart? I don't know. Allah, Allah. Any name of God will bring you love as you call with love. If you call with love, you will find love. Saida Begum, Salam, sir, kindly tell me what you like to eat. Oh. Oh, let's see. Actually, my favorite food is Pakistani food. Parathas especially, with dal and vegetables. I'm a vegetarian. I don't eat meat or fish or eggs, so. But I love especially matar paneer or saag paneer. I love paneer. So roti and chawal, and also, of course, any type of chawal I love, pilau. And I love what we call sweet rice or kheer. That is rice cooked in milk and sweetened. That is one of my favorite foods also. And I love ice cream. And let's see. I guess, yeah, I love roti, naan, paratha especially. Okay. And I love bangan, which we are talking about Baingani, the color purple. Okay, मुराकबा में कलर नज़र आता है और कौन सा नज़र आता है? हाँ, ये मुझे कम से कम कितने साल पहले, 20 साल से ज़्यादा हुआ, एक योगी ने मुझे ये सिखाया था कि मुराकबा में रंग आते हैं. तो मुख्तलिफ रंग कलर शायद आपका सवाल है मुझे कलर नज़र आता है हाँ मुख्तलिफ सिर्फ एक रंग नहीं मुख्तलिफ रंग Fatima Sarfraz, thanks for your answer. Which teacher? Shri Prabhupada. No. My teacher Kalili, Carol, Fatima, my good wife, is the teacher I was talking about. Ayesha Raja, you made me believe that dreams come true. Anything we desire deeply in our heart with love and faith, if we have a pure desire, that definitely will come true. Any vision, any dream, any desire that is pure. Even impure ones, God fulfills all desires, but if we have a pure desire for love, we will certainly achieve it. Sheila Fridi, it's a request that you also read and research about Khwaja Shamsuddin Azimi Sahib. I'm sorry, I don't have time. So many people request me read the books. Some people have even sent me the books of their murshid. I'm sorry, I just can't read all of them. Sardar Shafiq Khan, please do dua for me, Islam. Ya Malak Sardar Shafiq Khan par raham farma. Chaudhry Ramzan Zarcha, Assalamu alaikum, Baba Ji, Barai. Here मैं चश्मा भूल गया बरा बराई जर्सी से हरा वो लफ्ज़ मेरे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है शायद न्यू जर्सी के बारे में आप बात कर रहे हैं अच्छा शीला अफरीदी अल्लाह के ख़ास रहमत हो आप पर आई रियली लाइक यू शुक्रिया आप पर भी अल्लाह का रहम हो ताहिर अच्छा आई कैन नॉट रीड देम ऑल फिर सबको नहीं पूछ मुझसे फेसबुक पे कनेक्ट हों प्लीज़ एक्सेप्ट माय फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट मुझे माफ़ करना बहुत सारे फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट मुझे मिलता मैं सबको एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि फेसबुक का लिमिट है 5,000 फ्रेंड्स और अभी आम तौर पर जो अगर मुझे ऐसे कोई दिल में कोई आवाज़ नहीं आती है कि इस फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट को एक्सेप्ट करें मैं आम तौर पर अभी फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट को एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहा हूँ जब तक किसी से मिलता हूँ नहीं मतलब जिस्मानी तौर पर मिलते नहीं ओके अच्छा सब कमेंट्स को नहीं पढ़ूँगा Sheila Afridi, same opinion about Huzur, peace be upon him. His eyes are so deep and beautiful, subhanallah. Sudhir Ahmed, Assalamu alaikum, respected Babaji. Another good day, another opportunity to join you and learn from you. It's always good to hear from you and feel like to listen more and more, but I'm a bit busy at this time. But anyhow, I take out time to text you. Thank you very much. Khanwal Zubair, if women are future spiritual leaders, can a woman be Imam Mahdi? I don't know. I think from what I have heard from hadith, I've heard one hadith, the name of the Imam will be a male, a man's name. The name of Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, will be in his name. That's what I've heard. I don't know if that's true or not. So, but Imam Mahdi or I don't think there's any reason why a woman cannot be an Imam. But I don't think Imam Mahdi is a woman. From what I understand, there are many hadiths about Imam Mahdi that he would come in the Prophet's family. He would be a Sayyid. And even the name of Muhammad, peace be upon him, would be in the Imam's name. So that means I think he would be a man. Gina Raja, which state you're in? California. I would like to meet you. You're welcome to come here and meet me. Many of my Pakistani friends have. Tahir Chowdhury, can you use Messenger on Facebook? I want to contact you. Yes, you can send me a message. I do try to look at all the messages I get on Facebook. Sometimes it takes a long time. Sometimes I don't even see them. But yes, you can send me a message. Sudhir Ahmed, how purple can change themselves on individual level? How people can change themselves? Best way is zikr. I've always said. Just do zikr. That will change your heart and that will change your life tremendously. Muhammad Nadeem Riaz Qureshi, Bismillah, oh, Rahman Rahim, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Request for dua. Ya Allah, Muhammad Nadeem Riaz Qureshi par raham farma. Okay, I'm sorry that I cannot read. मैं सब नहीं पढ़ सकूंगा, लेकिन देखूंगा कोई अच्छी बातुगनी उस. You are Pakistani Muslim, but soul in fact. Lots of बहुत अच्छी बात है. हाँ, हकीकत में हम रूह हैं. ये हमारी असली शनाख्त, real identity is soul. किसी मज़हब के या किसी मुल्क के वो तो आर्जी चीज़ें हैं, लेकिन रूह आर्जी नहीं है. रूह हमेशा हमेशा के लिए हमारे असली शनाख्त है. उमेर मतीन मतीन, मैं मुराकबा में ब्लू कलर देखती हूँ, उसके क्या मतलब होता है? अगर कोई कलर नज़र आए तो मुझे मालूम नहीं कि ब्लू कलर जब मुराकबे में आते हैं उसका मतलब क्या है, लेकिन मुझे अच्छा लगता है ब्लू कलर. भी बहुत अच्छा रंग है. आसमान का रंग है ब्लू. तो लेकिन इन चीज़ों के बारे में. जी ना राजा, कैन यू रीड अरबिक? यस, आई कैन रीड अरबिक. बाबा अच्छा. Sudhir Ahmed, today the world is facing enormous problems and find it difficult to survive, and these conditions are getting worse, and on top of it, coronavirus affected people on large scale. Just pray for the entire world to survive through this lean phase. Yes, the world, excuse me, the world will survive, don't worry. Sudhir Ahmed, convey my regards to all who are watching the live stream. जीना राजा, आपकी उर्दू बहुत अच्छी है माशाल्लाह. मैं पाकिस्तान में बचपन में रहता था इसलिए. Fatima Sarfaraz, sir, please tell us a little about Native American spiritual lineage. What do they believe, practice? What they dislike? Thanks. So my wife, my teacher, is in a Native American spiritual lineage. And what do they believe and practice? They believe in the sacredness of all, and they believe Mita Koye O Yasin, that I pray daily. This is a Native American Dakota Lakota prayer. It means we are all relatives. We are all relations. All means not only all human beings, but human beings and animals and plants and mountains and rivers and oceans and stars. We are all related. We are all relatives. Extraterrestrials also are our brothers and sisters. So this is, and what do they dislike? I think they dislike hypocrisy. And they dislike, most religion in the world today is hypocritical. So I know they dislike, my wife dislikes hypocrisy very much. And they don't really have a religion in the way that we think of religion. They don't have all these doctrines and dogmas that you must believe. And there are many different Native American spiritual lineages. So they all have some differences between them too. But overall, I think they stress respect and love for nature, and of course for all of humanity. They also believe in supreme God. They Wakantaka is one name of God. Means the Great Spirit or the grandfather. They sometimes use that name for God also, or grandmother also. They have a concept of God which includes masculine and feminine. It's a very good concept of God, in my opinion. Chaudhry Ramzan Zarcha, Berlin, Germany, say, okay. Gina Raja, are you in New Jersey? No, I'm in California. Sudhir Ahmed, people are ignoring good values because of their personal problems, and they are keen to find solution for their problems rather than listening to spiritual lectures. I'm sure if they find solution to their problems, they will be more benefited from these spiritual lectures. Yes, to some extent that's true, that people are so distracted because the powers that be, and the satanic rulers of this planet, they are on purpose disturbing the economy so that people won't even have time for spiritual pursuits. There will always be an anxiety about making money to be able to feed their families even. So yes, I agree with you that if people are not so harassed by their problems, they might benefit more from spiritual lectures, especially because they won't even have time to listen to spiritual lectures if they are too much in anxiety about making money and feeding family. Okay. All right. Let's see. Ayesha Raja says, thank you so much, Baba Jan, for explaining the beauty of our beloved Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. I feel so blessed to have you around, Sir Kamal Zubair. Sir, I sent you a message on Messenger. I'm waiting for your answer. Okay, I will. I should actually bring a pen and write down these names of people who have said this, because then I can look for your name on Messenger. But I will try to remember. Kamal Zubair. Jeena Raja, मेरे बेटा भी बहुत impress हुआ है आपकी उर्दू से. He is 10. We have no one but Allah. Please kindly keep us in your prayers. Ya Allah, Jeena Raja par रहम फरमा और उसके बेटे पर भी. Okay, I think that's enough. I originally, when I started these chats, my idea was to go 20 minutes or half an hour only. ये मैं सोच रहा था जब मैंने ये पहले शुरू किया था. मैं बस 5-10 मिनट तक बात करूँगा, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं. फिर 10-15 मिनट सवाल जवाब, लेकिन ज़्यादा आमतौर पर होता है. लेकिन मैं इसको अभी ख़त्म कर दूँगा. तो शुक्रिया, खुश रहो. पर्पल यानी बैंगनी या जामुनी रंग. ये मेरी बेगम, मेरी उस्तादनी कालली फातिमा कैरल. ये पर्पल चीज़ को, ये पर्पल, पता नहीं उसको तहरीक बोलेंगे या क्या. वो उसको तहरीक नहीं बोलती है, लेकिन ये पर्पल जो भी हो, आप मेहरबानी करके उसके फेसबुक पेज को देख लें. उसका नाम है कैरोलिना कीसलर या कालली. उसको आप देख लें और उन पर्पल के बारे में जो वो लिखती हैं उसको आप ज़रूर पढ़ें और उन पर मुराकबा, उन पर ध्यान लगाएं. ओके, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.